We are on the Upper East Side in a 2,500 square foot apartment we just finished completely gut renovating. We're going to take a look at all the details. This apartment is a little unique. This is a high-end luxury apartment. I'm George Fontan. I'm an architect in New York, owner of Fontan Architecture. Let's check it out. We have an open living room, dining, and kitchen. We knocked out some walls. We enlarged the kitchen. The kitchen is 20 feet long, built an island. This is a much more open space from what we had before. Lots of windows, bringing in lots of light. The kitchen has panel-ready refrigerator and freezer to match the cabinets. Storage above, cooktop with a pot filler. That's a really nice touch. The microwave is a drawer microwave that pulls out in the kitchen island. Wall ovens. It's always nice to put the sink facing a window. You get a nice view. We're using a slab for the backsplash. This is one piece, the full length, without a single seam. On the kitchen island, we added a little touch that adds some detail to the countertop material. You can see here on the waterfall and on the overhang, we wrapped around this step design that we had the contractor make all around the kitchen island. In the living room, we have this custom-made wall unit entertainment center. This is designed matching the kitchen. This is all one open space, except on this side, we have this travertine top. This is a nice little detail. One of the most important rooms in the apartment is going to be the master bathroom. Now, something I want to say about quality. The difference between a nice apartment and a high-end apartment is the quality of how things are made. That's what really identifies a luxury design. Let's start with the vanity. These are custom white oak with brass trim cabinets, which same materials we've used throughout the entire apartment. The sink, this is custom made. We get a slab of marble matching with the wall behind. Send that to the fabricator. The fabricator makes the sink to our specifications, and then we have a much more elegant bathroom design than if we are buying a standard vanity. That's what makes this high end. On the walls, we have a different type of marble, white marble in slabs. This is one piece, floor to ceiling, so the entire bathroom has very few seams. The master bathroom shower is also completely marble. You have full slabs, floor to ceiling, so it's just one large piece of marble. You have a marble floor. This is also one piece with a linear drain. The linear drain has a pan that receives a piece of marble, so it's flush and sleek. It's a very nice modern detail. The tub is a freestanding tub on a small elevated marble platform. This is a nice touch for the bathroom so that the bathing and showering is all in one compartment. This works very well if you don't have a huge space for the bathroom. The other very important thing that you want to do in your bathrooms is have shower niches. This really elevates the design. In the back of the shower, you have a full wall-to-wall niche, and on the sides, we have these three niche compartments. Now let me talk about the detail, because everything that comes down to a high-end luxury design is in the details. We have all the marble cut at a 45-degree angle. That's called a miter cut. And they install the marble so that you don't see any seams around. It really looks like just a recess in a marble wall. This is a really great detail. It's subtle, but it really elevates the bathroom design. The master bath was all marble, but this bathroom is different. Actually, all the bathrooms in this apartment are designed differently. We've got penny tiles on the wall, mosaic tile on the floor, a wall-mounted toilet over here. We like to use a wall-mounted toilet when we're rearranging the bathroom fixtures. In some cases, it makes it a lot easier for us to do the plumbing, but there are other advantages as well. The wall-mounted toilet is very sleek and modern if you like the look, and it's easy to clean. People tend to like that. You've got a custom vanity, you've got a bathroom niche, which is an essential for every bathroom. Here in the powder room, you've got a floor and countertop that match. This is a custom-made vanity top with a curved stone front, and the cabinet is also all custom-made wood that's curved. This is a really nice touch with an antiqued mirror and a cove light that wraps all around for a little accent. We used walnut floors throughout the entire apartment. In the foyer, there's a hexagonal pattern. That makes it a little different and lets the foyer stand alone. When planning a high-end apartment renovation, you need to use good materials and good people. The quality of the construction, the fabrication, and the design is all what comes together to make something truly high-end and truly luxury. Good quality is everything.